everyone, I'm Tiffany and I'm TerraCycle's Chief Design Junkie. Today I'm here to show you how to make these really cool napkin rings out of candy wrappers that you would normally just throw away. TerraCycle is all about taking garbage and upcycling it into new products, and we have a whole system of brigades that you can sign up for and send us your waste and we'll turn it into new. But today I'm going to show you this easy project. The materials that you need are a whole pile of candy wrappers like these. You need a ruler, a pen, a glue stick, and a pair of scissors. So we're going to start by cutting up a bunch of rectangles out of the candy wrappers. So what you do is you take a piece of your candy wrapper and you mark out a rectangle that's 4 inches by 1 3/4. So right to there. And then you cut it out with your scissors. And an easy trick too is to just stack them next to each other so you can cut a bunch out at the same time. We're going to need 16 rectangles like this for this project. So once you have all 16 pieces cut out, like we have here, you can get started. So you take your first piece that's pre-cut and you take your glue stick. And another great thing too about TerraCycle is we collect a whole range of items, not just candy wrappers. So like Elmer's glue sticks and Sharpie markers, we have collection brigades for. And you should check out TerraCycle.net to see what types of items you create as waste and what you can send in to us. So once you have your rectangle cut out, what you're going to do is you're going to take your glue stick and rub it on the inside of the food wrapper. And then you're going to take the edges and fold them to that center fold line. So you're going to have a really skinny rectangle. So it's like that, and then you take your glue stick again, rub it on the inside of this rectangle, you fold that piece in half, and then you have a super skinny rectangle, just like this. The next thing you're gonna do is fold this in half widthwise, and then open it back up and fold those ends into the center. Just like that, and then you fold that in half, and you have your first piece. Once you have 2 pieces folded just like this, you take the slots of one and slip them into the tabs of the other. Just like that. And then you just keep weaving in this fashion. You take another piece and slip them into the next one. Essentially, you're just making a chain out of all these little candy wrapper pieces. So it looks like that. So you continue like this until you have 15 pieces in a row. So to do the last piece, the 16th piece, you take it and you wrap it around into a loop. You take your last piece that's just been folded in half once, widthwise, and you slip them into the ends of one, and then you slip it through the ends of the other one. And then you take the end tabs, and an easy little trick is to just flip them back around. And then an easy little trick just to keep it all together is to just take your glue stick, put a little bit of glue on the center there, press it closed, and that last piece will stay in place. So you can just slip in your cloth napkin and add this to your dinner party, and it's a great conversation starter for all of your dinner guests. And you can do different variations too. In this example, I took some M&M wrappers and I stacked 2 on top of each other, and then I just wove string through that. You can find instructions for more projects like this one on our website at TerraCycle.net. You can also check out my book that will be due out in March 2011 called Remake It, just loaded with do-it-yourself recycling projects like this one. You can find out more about that on replayground.com. We also would love to have you part of our brigade system, and you can earn money for your favorite charity by collecting things like candy wrappers, glue sticks, markers, and a whole bunch more of other waste streams. TerraCycle is here to eliminate the idea of waste, and we can't do it without your help. Check back soon for more do-it-yourself recycling goodness from the TerraCycle Design Junkies.